2024 season come to an end trend tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now for this process, you will need your TikTok account and your CapCut account. So make sure that you have the latest version and updated version of both these applications. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the search bar over here and then search for 2024 season comes to an end. So now just scroll down and select any of the video, and here you can see the option of try this template option. So tap on this option over here. Now when you tap on it, it will give you this option of use template in CapCut. So tap on it again, and as you do that, it will land you directly to the CapCut application on your device. So here you can just tap on use template. And as you tap on use template, you can select any of the photos or the videos that you would want to add into your video. And then you can just tap on next and you can just select up to 42 items over here. So just select the items over here and you can export it and you'll be able to create your 2024 season comes to an end trend over here. And you can export it and post it on your TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.